But I'm hearing a very strange noise. I don't know what it is. It sounds like a very sick dog is what it sounds like. It stopped. There it is. I don't know if you can hear that or not. I don't know what the hell that is. I gotta check it out though. Not now. I got deer to shoot. But if I come back and it's still down there,